everyone, I am Abhinit Dhara and today I am going to show you an experiment. Let us see what it is. So I am going to take this bottle full of glass and just put it in front of this. What do you observe? The arrow changes its direction. You see that the arrow is pointing this direction, but when I put this bottle in front of it with water, it points in this direction. Now if I move this bottle in front of it, you see what just happened, and if it move in closer, then you see the arrow move to its original shape. Now it happens because of its focus point. When it is at the point, then this happens. Now if we take another example and we move this closer, you see that the color of the paper is red and then green, but when I put the bottle in front of it, it becomes green and then red. So this is how my experiment works. Now how my experiment works is that, let me take an arrow for instance or for example. Now I have the glass or bottle filled with water in front of it. Now when we see it from here, suppose our eyes is seeing it from here, that means the rays of lights are going in straight direction from here. Now when the rays of light are touching the glass filled with water, there is something happening which is called as refraction. Now this glass filled with water acts as a lens. There are three types of lens, which is convex, concave and compound. Now convex lens are used in instruments such as telescope and binoculars. They are used to make faraway objects more clear. Now concave lens are used in TV projectors, such as it is used to make the closer objects more clear. The convex is used to make larger objects, faraway objects large, and the convex makes smaller objects more clear. Now the third type is the compound. The compound is used in the microscopes and it consists both of convex and concave. Now when the glass acts as a lens, it acts as a convex lens, means it's like this, and when the rays of light hit it, the rays of lights bend at a particular point. All of the rays of lights bend at a particular point. Now that particular point is called as the focal point, means this point here is called as the focal point. Now the length from which the focal point is there is called as the focal length. Now when these rays of lights meet together at the focal point, they get reversed. Now when they get reversed, the lights come like this, and when it comes like this, the shape which is here also turns opposite direction. So this is how my experiment works. Now how our concave lens work? Now in this case it worked as a convex, but now how our concave lens works? Now if I draw a diagram, it will be much more easier to understand. So our concave lens looks like this. It is bent in inside. Now when the light rays travel, when the light rays travel from here, instead of getting at a point, they spread out. And now you might be wondering, if they spread out, where could be the focal point? In this, the focal point is here, but if we talk about the concave lens, the focal point is right about here, which is inside, not the outside. Now this is also called as the virtual focal point, and the length right here is known as the focal length, as I have told you. So this is how both concave and convex lens work.